Is that what a cow says? Yes. Good job. What's a puppy say? Yes. Puppy. Is that a mouse? Ladybug. Ladybug. What's that? What does that do? What's a frog do, Addison? Addison, what's a frog do? The frog say ribbit. 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 Ribbit.
Does a frog jump, baby? Show us how a frog jumps.
Oh, frog does that? Or does it say ribbit? Ribbit.
Could you jump like a frog? Like a bunny rabbit? Hop, 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 hop. Hop, 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 hop.
Good job. Ribbit. 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 Whoa, frog. Yeah. Whoa, it's a crazy frog. Addison, can you say mama?
Mama.
Say dada.
Dad.
Yeah, say Jake.
J.
Say bud.
J.
Addison, can you say bud? Bud. Yes. Can you say duck? Yes. What you see there? Is that a sheep? What does a sheep say? Does a sheep say ba? Yes. Yes. What's a kitty cat say? And kitty cat say meow? Yes. What's a snake do? Yes. Good job. What's a tiger say? Or what's a bear say?